In a cozy little home, three friends gather for a fun-filled day of learning and adventure. They decide to create a treasure map and go on a scavenger hunt around the house. With colorful markers, they draw clues and hide treasures in clever places. The friends follow their map, giggling and solving puzzles at each stop. Suddenly, they find a secret message hidden under a pillow. The message leads them to the kitchen for a surprise cooking activity. They make delicious fruit kabobs, learning about healthy snacks. Next, they head to the living room for an exciting science experiment. Using baking soda and vinegar, they create bubbly volcanoes. As the sun sets, they gather to share stories of their amazing day.